Hiya everyone, I hope you're keeping well. Tonight we're going to be doing an unboxing. I've got Martin and Jordan here today because my lovely friend Erin from the United States, she lives in Florida. She sent with a massive box. She's even given a gift for Martin and Jordan. So these boys are a little bit nervous, but we're going to be fine. So it's here. We're going to open it all together so you can see what we like, see what you think. We've got a little letter in here apparently to show you what's what. And then off we go. So this is Jordan. We've got him on the camera for the first time. And you've met Martin. He's an old pro at it now.
Yeah, she's let me free from the kitchen sink tonight just to do this video, but I will get chained back up again later.
Yeah, he will, because he's cooking dinner. We've got a nice chicken dinner to look forward to. I think these two could do with a bottle of beer. So, we've got a lovely little postcard, and there's some different things. Oh, we've got some rock. Right, so dear Lauren, I hope you like the little items I've picked out for you and Martin and Jordan. Rock Cambaba Jasper helps soothe nerves. Bringing peace of mind, great for protection and grounding. Thought it would help you sleep and your anxiety. Bath and Body Works for the gentleman, and picked suede mineral body wash. And is it pickled or picked floral coconut scents for you? Coffee, coffee. I don't drink coffee, but this is from a local St. Peter coffee shop. Oh, right, let's go. And lovely. Remember I said I wanted some postcards from the USA? This is absolutely fantastic. So it's from St. Petersburg, and I think that's in Florida. So thank you very much for that. I'll put that there. We'll try and find the boys' stuff first. What we got? That might be for the boy. No, let's have a look. Oh, suede. This is for you?
That's for me.
Yeah.
Alright.
And we've got men's collection 2-in-1 hair body wash. So we've got this here. Mineral 2-in-1 body and hair wash. That's for you, Martin.
Well, thank you very much.
And then we've got Jordan, sure.
I got the suede 2-in-1 body wash. It's high leather 2-in-1 hair and body wash. Leaves you feeling clean and refreshed. Vitamin E, shea butter, and aloe nourish and condition. So I'm sure that's going to go down well.
And it smells amazing. Honestly, you just want to smell these packages. They're absolutely fantastic.
They smell nice.
Yeah. We've got pink coconut calypso. Oh, let's have a smell. You ready?
I'll do that's for.
I bet it's for me. That smells lovely. Oh, that is gorgeous. Have you smelled that?
Yeah, it's not bad, that is it?
I like that.
What's that? That's nice.
That is gorgeous. Thank you, Erin. That is lush. Put that there on your knee.
Thank you.
We've got some stuff here. Let's have a look. What else have we got? We've got clementine and mint leaves fine fragrance mist. Ooh, look at that. So we've got that as well. This is from the Bath and Body Works. This is lovely. This is a girl that knew I'd loved these products off years ago and she'd remembered. So I can't thank you enough, Erin, for getting these. And this is the girl who she sent us emails. She's got a couple of guinea pigs, and she described them as little sweet potatoes with eyes, and when she opens the fridge they'll come running in and snaffle because they're greedy. And I just love their emails. They're fantastic. What do you think?
It's nice.
That's nice, isn't it?
It's not quite me, but it's
Obviously not going to be nicking it off your mum, no.
Oh,
no,
good.
not at this stage.
That is lovely. Thank you, Erin. Brilliant. And then we've got this here. What's this? Oh, clementine and mint leaves 24-hour moisture. Oh, thank you. I've been needing a moisture. Right, you can all borrow this if you want. But we've got ultra shea body cream, clement and mint leaves. That's great. And it smells like what was sprayed. That's gorgeous. I can't wait to put a bit of that on. It is, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely lovely. It smells amazing.
Are you happy with your gift?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
It does smell amazing, doesn't it?
It does, doesn't it?
Oh, and look at that. Little jade stone. Freezing cold. Have a cold feel of that.
Oh, is that one that shipped from abroad?
Yeah.
Like everything that's shipped abroad is always freezing.
Really?
Yeah. You know, the keyboards I used to buy, they were always freezing.
Isn't that odd?
Yeah,
I
like
wonder if they
stone
hold them
cold.
in like a shipping container or something.
Yes, that's nice.
That is nice. That's like the roller thing. Remember the roller?
Yeah, that you
For
didn't
your
know it was
headache.
for. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, let's get to the coffee, come on.
Yeah. Oh, Jordan likes the coffee. Oh, Brazil Black Crow coffee roasters.
That's mine.
Oh no, it's not. Actually, I can't. I'm gonna have to have a little bit of this in the morning.
You don't even drink proper coffee?
Hey.
You don't?
I will do, I will. I'll have a good taste of this. These are going to nick it off me, I can just tell. But this is brilliant, thank you. And we've got one more thing. We've got one more thing to show you. Oh, what's this? Swanson's Soap Works. So, beautiful handcrafted, natural cold pressed soap bars. And smell that. That's really spicy, that.
That's nice.
That
yeah.
is nice.
It's not too flowery.
That is gorgeous and it's so pretty. Like, look at that. Isn't that absolutely stunning? That is brilliant. It's got lavender and pepper, shea butter and cinnamon, clove and cardamom. There might be another couple because there's quite a few in there. It's a lovely little gift pack. Can't wait to play around with these. Are you happy, boys?
Oh, very happy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Erin.
Thank you very much, Erin.
Yeah.
I don't know you, but looking at the postage, I just honestly
Can't
don't know
find
what
it.
to say, so thank you. Thank you very much,
You've
Erin.
made us all really happy
Yeah.
here tonight. Thank you very
Very.
much,
Thank
Erin.
you.
And sorry for making you wait so long. I just had to get it all together for this video and we're all busy. But I hope you are keeping well and I'll see you all in a bit. Zoom, zoom.
Bye.
Where's the remote? Where we put the remote?
I've said bye now, hurry up.
Does that mean I've got to go back to my kitchen sink?
Yeah, you're going back in the I can't find the remote.
what
I've got it.
It's like when you say bye to somebody and leave the same way as them.
Yeah, and you wait. Or you're waiting for the elevator door to
Let
shut.
them go first.
Bye, zoom,
Bye.
zoom.
Brilliant.
Yo.
That's nice. Let's have a sniff of yours.
Go on then.
Oh, here you go.
Oh,
You can
thanks.
have that one.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah, I'll get it. That's my, you miserable git.
Had my name on it. And I'm not saying zoom zoom, that's your catchphrase.
You've just done it.
Zoom, zoom.
Zoom zoom.